We have operator, a name, and what is the use of that one. So we are talking about today for addition, the subtraction, multiplication. We are going to division, and this is going to be modulus, that is going to divide two numbers to each other and leave the remainder and give us the remainder of that one. And that is exponentiation. So we are going to have, for example, 2 exponentiation to 3, so time multiply 2 3 times together. And then we have floor division. Okay, the floor division is we are using two double, actually called double backslash, and what it does is actually integer division. We divide two numbers with each other and we round it up with the closest number, so we don't have any decimal number on that one. If we divide 2 by 3, just the number is going to be 1, so we don't need any more 1.5, so it's going to be 1 only. Okay, so that is or the floor division, or as it is called near integer division. Hi, these operators. So I'm in PyCharm. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new file, and actually I called it math, and that was actually for Python. Okay, let me ask the user enter two variable for me. Number 1, that's one variable, and enter a number, and then I will have the same thing for number 2. I said the only thing that I have to do is to change the number value, and then I num1 plus num2. Okay, and then I print it out. Prompt number 1. So in Python we have plus minus multiplication. Let me do one by one, and I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, first let me run. This is how does it work. It's asking for one number, 20, 10, 20, and then let me do the same thing. It's I can put this one addition, so it's asking one number, 40, 50 is 9. Okay, I'm going to add, let me with it how it's going to be that. Let me do add, then we have multi, the one again variable I make it, and again what I'm going to do that it's going to be here, but in multiplication is only a star or asterisk, so that's a multiplication that we are going to do that. Then I have the same thing for subtraction. So he said right is sub for subtraction, and then I said number 1 minus number 2, so maybe negative because it depends on what number you are going to insert. And then I have division, so I just put it as a div, said division, and then again based on that. So on the division, here we are. So what I'm going to do is I said I can put here sign of that. So then I put the variable name here, so that is for addition. Then I'm copying this one, all of them, to put here. Okay, so we did the addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Let me clear here that I'll be able to follow that. And then let me print each individual. Here the addition I printed out on each line. I get 4 of them. This is and then I have the sign here, so the other one is subtraction. And then I have sign here, and then I have division, and I have the sign here. Okay, we have to put their variable wherever it belongs to. Here this subtraction variable here, and then the last one, division. So let me do it. How does it work? Till number 10, 20. Okay, the addition of these two numbers, 30, multiplies 200, subtraction number 2 is going to be number 1, so the minus 10, division is going to be half. So that is all we know. Not that's all. Let me give you 3 more that we have. But the next one, modulos, that's good. The modulo is probably we do not have it on real mathematical operation that we do it, but on the Python or other programming language that we have it. And I just put it mod as a variable, and I say that number 1 number 2. Okay, what it does here, it's going to divide here number 1 by number 2, and what is the it's going to return us the remainder of both of that. You may ask me what is the really necessity for that one. For example, if they want to know that is a number is even or odd, that's the way they do it. Okay, let's go back to the next one. Then it's going to be exponential, so it's a XPO. I will write as a variable, and this is going to work that number num1. That's going to be 2 asterisk num2. So, and then the last one that I'm going to say that is they call it floor division. Floor division is going to divide both of them together and round it up to the nearest number. So it's going to divide number 1 to number 2 and give us the closest number, round number to whole. So let me show you how as a variable, and num1 so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing, and I do for the rest of that, and see what will happen. What I need here, the division, I had it. Then I have modulo. It's going to be with a percentage, and the next one expansion And the last one is floor division, they call it floor. Okay, and the floor division we have double, and exponential we have 2 asterisk. Okay, here, but I have to change the variable here. Should put the variable here. The next one, exponential, the variable here, and floor division, the value here. And let me run. I give 2 number against same number. Going to be 15 by 2. So 15 by 2, the addition is going to be 17, 30, subtraction is 13, division is 7.1. If divide 15 by 2 is going to be 7, reminders will give 1. And then this is important. So I divide these 2 number. 15 by 2 is 7. So the remainder floor region of that one is 7. So that's the closest one to get. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Okay. Let's work on the next lesson.